Welcome to this tutorial where we'll show you how to process the fulfillment of a sale order across the Pick, Pack, and Ship tabs within Cin7 Core. For e-commerce integrations, you can enable the different fulfillment stages to be auto-filled and authorized. Note that all fulfillment stages can be completed in the Cin7 Core Warehouse Management Solution WMS app through any mobile device. Once a sale order is authorized, you can access the Pick tab, where you control the specific inventory to be picked and from which locations to fulfill the sales order. You can manually pick items by scanning barcodes or search for them. Selecting Autopick adds inventory from the default sale location based on costing method rules. FIFO items are auto-picked based on the soonest expiring inventory. FIFO batches are picked based on the earliest batch that came into the system. When there isn't enough inventory in the default location, Cin7 Core automatically assigns a warehouse with available inventory. Once added, you can manually change the warehouse locations and the quantities to be picked for each location as needed. Keep in mind there's many ways to customize and control the pick process in Cin7 Core and within the Warehouse Management Solution app to better match your workflows. When your pick list is ready, click Authorize. You can then email and/or print the pick list. The pick list contains order details, location, and bins for each product. For assemblies, you can also print an expanded list of BOM components. With picking complete, you can move on to packing and shipping. Remember, when inventory is picked, the allocation is now set against specific serial or batch numbers of on-hand stock. Since the pick list is solely a set of instructions to the warehouse, no stock movements or financials are recorded in Core until the order is packed and shipped. In the pack stage, all we're doing is determining how to box these products. We can again scan or search for the allocated inventory, or just copy from the authorized pick list. You can see they're all being assigned to package number 1. That's a single box headed out to your customer per location by default. But let's package this order into 4 separate boxes containing even units. To do that, I'll add new lines manually and I'll add each SKU again. Then split the sale order quantity to be boxed amongst them, and update the package numbers. Then print packing slips before moving on to shipping. In the ship stage, we record shipment and tracking information to complete the sale order. Depending on your shipping integration, the stage may be automatically completed and authorized, or provide you with an option to generate shipping labels from within the Ship tab. When manually handling the shipping, you can pull shipment boxes from the pack stage, either as a group or individual shipments. You can then assign unique carrier and tracking numbers per box. Once added, select the carrier and key in tracking numbers, or generate them in a pop-up menu available through shipping integrations. Then print out your shipping labels. Authorizing shipping creates financial transactions in Cin7 Core. Let's navigate to the Financials tab, where you can see that your inventory costs have been converted into costs of goods sold. Additionally, the allocated inventory has been deducted from your on-hand count. Once shipped, the sale order has been completely fulfilled. We can now move on to invoicing the customer.